Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. It's that time of month again. I know, guys, we're all excited, right, for that time of month. We are collaborating, the girls of Beauty Over 40, and this month we are showing you some of our new products. And here are some of my new products that I've been dying to use and just been too busy to do that. Anyway, so products I'm going to be using today, or one of these, is by Code. So if you like to see the look I created today, definitely make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. As I've mentioned, I'm a little under the weather, but we're going to make that happen. So, we're going to make it happen. So, the new products I have are by Code. And I got 3 colors. This color is Venus. And then I have Zealous. It's pretty, like emerald green. And then the last color I have is Magnetize. Magnetize. And there's that color. And because I'm going to work, I'm going to use Magnetize. Kind of like a yellowish green color. It does have like some flecks of gold in it. So there's the color there. Really pretty. So that's what we're going to be using today. As you can see, my face is already done. I just did my face, did my skincare. Let's see. I'm going to go in with my Marc Wile eyeshadow primer. Back of my eyelash applicator. That's probably too much. This stuff is really thick. Really creamy. Okay, we're just going to put that on the lid. I want to thank my girls, as always, my Beauty Over 40 girls. I literally had to peel myself off the bed. Just not feeling good. This weekend was my birthday weekend, so I had my 50th birthday party. Did a meet and greet on Friday. Saturday morning, went to a winery. Saturday night was the party, which was amazing. And then Sunday morning, we went to the Taste of St. Louis. So I've had a full weekend and it's showing. Oh, goodness, it is showing. So we're just pressing that eyeshadow primer on. And I have my Natasha Denona palette here. That's what I'm going to use for my like crease colors. So I think I'm going to use this color and this color. Alright, so I'm just putting that in my crease, but I'm angling that up toward the front of my brow. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with that darker color, like right behind that. Right in the middle of that. I haven't worn eyeshadow besides, you know, just like my regular basic everyday. I haven't really worn color out in a very long time. So let's see what kind of responses we get. Okay, and I'm just going to do the same thing on the bottom. Put the darker color in the outer corner. And then make sure I'm not creasing too bad. Then I'm going to go in with Magnetize. Alright, I'm not sure if I didn't press record, but I just blended this part out here, and then the darker color, I just blended that a little bit on the sides just to get a smooth transition. And now I'm going in with my mascara, which is the Item Lash Neck. This was in BoxyCharm box. Item Lash. You guys know I don't do liner that much, so we're going without liner. Alright, we're just going to do some real simple lashes. Again, the color I used was Magnetize by Cosette. Really pretty, beautiful colors. And favorite nude lippy is by Dream Cosmetics, and the color is called Crushing. A little bit of that. Alright, I'm going to do something to my fro, which is going to be really simple. Again, I'm a little under the weather today, so I'm not trying to, you know, I'm just trying to do something really quick and simple. So I'm going to do my hair, grab some earrings. Alright, I just did a little pineapple on my hair and just put in my earrings. Little gauges that I sold on my website. 4 gauges. There's the front and the back. And you just put it on like a regular earring. But that's my look, guys. My new products by Cosette. Alright guys, so that's my look. Once again, thank you guys for joining me in this month's collaboration. Make sure you check out all the girls that participated in this month's collaboration. I have all the information down below. And if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMAKEUP. Also, if you're not following me on TikTok, on both of my handles, that's LRHMAKEUP, and also _beauty over 40 on TikTok. Give your girl a follow. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Alright guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye!